Hi, my name is Ethan Stafford, and I'm a computer science major at CSU. I'm from California, and one of the things that really got me into computer science and software engineering as a whole is I have an extensive gaming background. Back in like 2007, I used to play like World of Warcraft, stuff like that. I participate in mostly uh, multiplayer games. So that's really the extent of my background is like interacting with communities, like checking out like cool stuff developers have built, like really participating in that video game community aspect. Um, I love I love multiplayer games. Yeah, anything with interactions I love. So that's kind of the core of why I got into software engineering, and that's kind of what I set out to develop. So what I'm currently working on is just a simple card game, online card game, and I hope that I can in the future work on AR and VR. So that's what I'm taking classes for, and that's what I hope I can do. Um, so yeah, as I said, I kind of want to focus in AR and VR development. So I recently joined the AR VR club. I don't know what that's going to be like, but I'm pretty excited. I really want to work on the metaverse. There's not a lot of information about what it's going to be like, but it has a lot of potential. And as I said before, there's a lot of, I really love that multiplayer community aspect. And the potential for the metaverse is that you can have an amazing, amazing community that spans like multiple platforms. It's not just like some kind of niche game that only a certain selection of players are actually playing. It's something that people from all over the world can interact with, which is really exciting, and could it can open up the world for like awesome multiplayer experiences. So that's really awesome. Regardless of actual career outcome, as I said before, I really want to use programming and design together. Using programming and design is really what kind of motivates me to keep going in school. Um, yeah. So what I want to learn in this class is I'm currently in the process of applying to internships and networking. So having a better understanding of the proper business communication can help me enormously. So in the field of game design, proper communication is integral for explaining errors, um, explaining your design intention for a specific system, and many other aspects. I was in a QA internship for Blizzard Entertainment, and one of the things that I really struggled with is how to communicate errors and bugs that I found in the game in the most succinct manner possible. That was something I really struggled with because how do I not take up much of the developer's time while providing as much information as possible? So I really want to kind of refine my skills. Uh, I'm not sure how much of the class will be involved in verbal communication, but that's something I would like to focus on just kind of outside of emails and work documentation. Um, but but also I'd like to learn about email correspondence. I hope I can improve my communication skills, and try to convey information correctly. But yeah, thanks for listening to my introduction, and nice to meet you all.